In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix where we have these issues with the wires. People left sticking up here, so they want to kill people's cats and stuff. We're going to repair this and make it look a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and cut these off and then put these little butt splices on them. Bring one out here. Actually, I'm going to put these little butt splices on them so that we can slide them back inside of this conduit right here. If you have these with the heat shrink on them, you can heat them up and it'll adhere to these wires and prevent water from getting into it. I don't happen to have those, so I'm going to be using these, but those are definitely a good idea to have on you. So I just came in from the end on each one of these. You can come in from either end. That's how they're designed. But I just used one end to put them together. They'll both fit in here now, supposedly. They reach. Once this slides up, it'll slide inside. You see we got a little bit of distance to slide up here. And then I can flip this thing over and take out the drain plug that someone forgot to take out. You see there's a drain plug here and a drain plug over here. You gotta take those out when this is oriented down so water can get out of it. Hopefully this motor's not ruined, but there's a possibility that it's gonna be damaged because someone didn't do that.